choreograph and perform live lightsaber duels. So the kind of stuff you see in the Star Wars movies, we go out and we do that live.
Well, for me, Soul is just a great community to be a part of. We get to give back to the community.
As somebody who's in the entertainment technology and design major here at UNLV, it's really helped me just kind of broaden my horizons as to what I can do in the entertainment industry.
I can guarantee you that Soul is what got me my current job, because when they see it on a resume, they go, all right, I gotta know, what is this?
Soul really gives a lot of people a home who don't really feel like they fit in anywhere else. It's a creative outlet.
I don't think if I had joined Soul, I would have as many friends as I do and a place of belonging while being here.
Joining Rub is probably one of the best things that I did on this campus. We plan all the fun events on campus, so premiere, homecoming, and late night breakfast are some of our main ones.
I want to be an event manager, so having Rev and promoting things like this where students just have fun, it's really important to me, and it's really important to student life as well.
The UNLV Rowing team, it's a special team to my heart. The community that we have is so great because we get all together in that boat and it's just quiet.
Rowing has helped me a lot. You realize I'm capable enough. You know, they might have a few more inches, but I have the grit and I have the willpower to want to get out there and to do my best.
I have arthritis, and rowing has really helped calm all my joints and stuff, along with my medications, of course.
So our team is kids that are going to school full-time. They all started brand new. We teach everything about rowing right from the get-go.
SEDS actually stands for the Students for the Exploration and Development of Space, but we like to nickname it UNLV's Rocket Team because we focus the rocket side of things.
There's a lot of stuff that you get out of being in an engineering club that you're not going to get in classes. What it actually is being an engineer is working on a team, you know, having a specific goal, like working on a project. It's a very welcoming environment, and it's just a really, really good opportunity to learn a lot.
I think the main reason we have a lot of fun, though, is because everyone has a positive attitude and everybody just wants to get the job done. Having a team like that is, I think, the concrete platform that you need in order to make a project like this.
Hi, I'm Miriam, and we're here at Project 150, packaging food to serve underserved and homeless high school students, which are really in need of the food during this developmental stage in their life.
I think it's definitely important because it's helping contribute to our community and helping make sure that others get the education that we all deserve. If UNLV students go out and help, we're helping them get to our position, basically.
I do a lot of dash events where we create food bags and everything and then give them out to the community. I would say that it's just really great to be a part of the community and also just get more involvement with the school. A great way to also meet friends and just be involved with everything.
As a pre-nursing major, I want to work here. I wanted to learn more about Vegas as a community, and I think having volunteers get out here and have something meaningful for themselves helps. And in the longer run, it can help you beneficially, with your mental health.
I think it's important just to make sure that everybody in your community is doing okay so that we could all thrive and do more service together.
Spectrum creates a safe space for all students of the LGBTQIA plus community to just hang out, find a sense of community, and occasionally we do stuff for Pride in October.
We really strive on having a fun and safe environment where you feel comfortable just being yourself.
I'd say Rebel D&D is a group of people that all share an interest in tabletop RPGs that come together on a weekly basis to explore characters, stories, and just hang out and have a great time together.
A lot of people think that university is just going to school and going to classes and then going home. But really, there's a lot more to it. Being able to have a place to go to where you can have friends, where you can be yourself. You don't have to worry about fitting in. You can roll dice and kill monsters. You can just have a lot of fun.
Yeah, I would say it's great to get involved at school. It's a good way to meet new people, make friends.
I learned how passionate I am about helping communities. It's something I want to do as well in my career. And also, it's helped me with getting leadership skills in order to take advantage of opportunities and just take initiative in the different ways.
It's really taught me a lot of discipline about being able to set a good schedule for myself, being able to manage my time well, being able to wake up early now.
With my sociology degree, it kind of helped open my eyes to where I could go out and help in the world.
Having this sort of community is something that really begins to make going to school here at UNLV feel special, feel important.
Being a member of SEDS will prepare me, in my future career as an aerospace engineer. I feel like SEDS will just make me more industry ready. With all that said, come build a rocket with us at SEDS.
Come and join our UNLV rowing team and be a part of our family.
Join us at Sold UNLV. Who will you become?
Come join us at UNLV Spectrum.
Come join us at Rev and I'll see you at all the events.
It's such a privilege to be out here with my friends, giving back to the community, and I hope that you'll join us one day too.
Roll for our initiative on a new college experience right here at Rebel D&D.